Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Our focus will be on an exciting and critical topic in modern organizations: task and general strategies on intellectual capital management. In today's knowledge-driven economy, intellectual capital is often the most valuable asset of an organization. Managing it effectively can be the difference between leading the market and falling behind. Defining intellectual capital. Before diving into strategies, let's ensure we're all on the same page about what intellectual capital is. Intellectual capital refers to the intangible assets and resources that drive value creation in an organization. These are typically grouped into three categories: human capital, the skills, knowledge, and expertise of employees; structural capital, the systems, processes, and databases that support the organization's operations; relational capital, the relationships and networks an organization builds with external stakeholders like customers, suppliers, and partners. Each of these components plays a vital role in creating competitive advantage and sustaining long-term success. The tasks of intellectual capital management. Managing intellectual capital effectively involves several key tasks. Identification. The first step is to recognize and catalog all intellectual assets within the organization. This includes assessing employees' competencies, mapping organizational processes, and evaluating stakeholder relationships. Measurement. Assigning value to these intangible assets is crucial for understanding their impact on the organization's performance. Common tools include balanced scorecards, benchmarking, and specialized valuation models. Protection. Safeguarding intellectual capital from theft, loss, or misuse is a top priority. This involves implementing robust cybersecurity measures, protecting intellectual property rights, and fostering employee retention strategies. Development. Investing in intellectual capital ensures its growth over time. This may include training programs, innovation initiatives, and building stronger relationships with stakeholders. Leverage. Finally, the goal is to use intellectual capital strategically to achieve organizational goals. This could mean leveraging expertise for product development, streamlining operations through process improvements, or enhancing customer satisfaction. Let's now look at some general strategies organizations can employ to manage intellectual capital effectively. Create a knowledge-friendly culture. Encourage knowledge sharing and collaboration. Establish systems like intranets, forums, or wikis where employees can share insights and ideas freely. Invest in talent development. Offer continuous learning opportunities, mentorship programs, and clear career pathways to enhance human capital. Build robust systems. Ensure your structural capital, from IT infrastructure to operational processes, is efficient, scalable, and supportive of innovation. Foster strategic relationships. Strengthen relational capital by maintaining strong communication with stakeholders, delivering consistent value, and building trust. Leverage technology. Use tools like AI, data analytics, and cloud computing to maximize the potential of your intellectual capital. Monitor and adapt. Regularly review and refine your intellectual capital management strategies to stay aligned with changing market dynamics and organizational goals. In conclusion, intellectual capital is a critical driver of organizational success in today's economy. By identifying, measuring, protecting, developing, and leveraging these intangible assets, organizations can create sustainable competitive advantages. Remember, the true power of intellectual capital lies in its potential to innovate, adapt, and grow. As leaders, managers, or professionals, it's up to us to ensure we harness this potential to its fullest.